Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this new video I'd like to show you how I create this render. Actually I posted this render last week in Facebook in a group of 3D artists and so many people said, wow, this is amazing how you create that. Actually this is really simple to do and this is why I'd like to show you that in this video. So I will use the same character with the same clothes, same everything. Okay, so really easy. First thing to do, you need to add a basic Genesis 8 female. Then let's add a basic okay, so basic clothes here. Let's see. Then so for this one I use the Jill Valentine character, so I will use the same character. I apply the body and face and everything. Finally the skin. Here we have a Jill Valentine. Okay, so I add a new product. You can get it. You can get all my products in from ArtStation because my coffee account is closed. I create another account. I put my products in this new account, but now I use mostly ArtStation. So this new product is actually some shapes, some sexy shapes, and when you import it, you get it with Genesis 8 female. The first folder A shapes, Eruda tools, and let's apply one of the shapes. Let's apply the first one, the same shape that I create that I used to create the render. Okay, so now we apply the also I second product the Erdota lights, portrait lights. Then let's make it 60. Or okay, let's make it sexy like that. Okay, so now I change the environment color background, then I change it to black with some blue effect like that. Let's see. Okay, good. So now we have here the light, we have the shape. Okay, nice. So actually this is Jill Valentine without the shape. Now what we need to do, we need to choose the clothes. I will use the same clothes that I use to create the render. So here we have the bikini. So I delete the basic clothes and also I use a jacket here. Okay, so now I need to change the hair color. Go to surfaces, select hair, go to surfaces, hair, change this white color to okay, black color. So now we have Jill with black hair and with the same clothes like the render. Okay, so now we need to choose a pose. I have here so many poses. Let's see. For example, let's use this pose. Just an example. Let's see what we have here. So let's create a new camera. Here we have the camera. That's the example here. Not really important. Okay. Just an example. So let's make the character look to the camera. Parameter, all, none. Choose camera. For the first eye and for the second eye, do the same. Okay, so let's see. Here, look the camera. Okay, make it something like that. Okay, I need to change here something with the environment color, make it more white to show the blue effect. Make it something like that. Let's see. Okay, so now guys, I have a secret. I'd like to show you the secret. So we apply the light, we do everything, but we don't. So the render still like soft. It's not look realistic. So to make it realistic, we need to add some shadow for our morphs, for our shape. So do that's actually really simple. It's actually this is a secret. Okay, so just create a new point light. Sorry, so create a new point light like that and make it up. Okay, look now. Look at the difference. Look for her breast. It's look really realistic. Look at the difference when I delete the point light. So this is really amazing. It's really good. So sorry camera. Here we have the camera. Okay. So here I change the texture shaded, and I go to render settings all. So as always, you render with big pixel size and fix the max sample to 300, and let's call it, for example, a Gil. And let's click render, and this render take between 6-8 maximum 8 minutes to done. Let's click render. So you can see here, guys, actually take like 7 minutes to done. Actually it's done. Okay, nice. Like 7 minutes, no more. So now you just need to import your render here in Lightroom. This is my render. It's actually the good quality. So don't forget about this avocado texture. First, I need to choose a preset from here. So let's choose one of the Gel presets. Actually, this is the same preset here from develop. Copy. And you can get all these presets, 20 presets, from the link description from my ArtStation store. Paste. And here we have it. This is the render. Actually easy. You can, so of course you can add some accessories, you can change so many things, and it's really easy to do. Just now we need to export that, and I need to open it with Photoshop. So open it with Photoshop to show you how to reduce the noise of her avocado texture breast. Okay, here we have it. Just I keep it like that because may YouTube make it delete this video because like no safe for work and something like that. So just to select this option here is like the water here, and you can do that. You can reduce the avocado here, make it more smooth. Okay, it's really easy. You can choose. There is so many solutions for that. It's really easy. Okay, guys. So finally, I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any question, you can ask me on my Instagram account. Enjoy my products. I put link in the description for my ArtStation store. See you in the next video. Ciao.